Exploring the subterranean wonders, the top 10 most beautiful caves in the world. Beneath the Earth's surface lies a realm of astonishing beauty, a hidden world shaped by the patient work of nature over millennia. Caves, with their intricate formations and breathtaking underground landscapes, offer a unique and awe-inspiring journey for those willing to venture below ground. From delicate stalactites to grand chambers adorned with ethereal designs, these subterranean wonders showcase the artistry of geology. Join us as we unveil the top 10 most beautiful caves in the world, each a testament to the mesmerizing beauty that lies beneath our feet. 1. Sun Dong Cave, Vietnam. Topping our list is the gargantuan Sun Dong Cave, the world's largest known cave by volume. With its towering stalagmites, colossal chambers, and a subterranean river, this Vietnamese wonder is a testament to the colossal forces of nature. 2. Waitomo Glowworm Cave, New Zealand. A celestial experience awaits in the Waitomo Glowworm Cave, where the ceiling twinkles like a starlit sky, courtesy of thousands of tiny glowworms. Drift along an underground river and be mesmerized by this living tapestry of light. 3. Reed Flute Cave, China. Named for the reeds that once grew at its entrance, the Reed Flute Cave is a colorful kaleidoscope of natural rock formations, illuminated by multicolored lights that transform the cave into a surreal underground landscape. 4. Cavernas de Marmol, Chile. Carved by the waters of Lake General Carrera, the marble caves of Chile are a network of surreal chambers with walls veined and polished by centuries of water erosion, creating a dreamlike and ever-shifting visual feast. 5. Ice Cave, Iceland. In the frozen heart of Vatnajökull Glacier resides the stunning Ice Cave, a crystalline wonderland of azure ice formations that seem to emanate an otherworldly glow, offering a unique glimpse into the dynamic beauty of glacial landscapes. 6. Jada Grotto, Lebanon. A testament to the power of water, the Jada Grotto in Lebanon is a dual cave system featuring staggering stalactites and stalagmites, with an underground river creating a strikingly surreal subterranean world. 7. Antelope Canyon, USA. Though technically a slot canyon, Antelope Canyon's undulating sandstone walls and shafts of sunlight create a visual spectacle akin to a cave. The interplay of light and rock paints a transient masterpiece that shifts with every passing minute. 8. Mammoth Cave, USA. Unveiling a different kind of beauty, Mammoth Cave's vast underground labyrinth in Kentucky is a testament to the scale of Earth's hidden wonders. Its extensive passages and chambers evoke a sense of wonder at the immensity of the subterranean landscape. 9. Fingal's Cave, Scotland. Imposing hexagonal basalt columns form the dramatic entrance of Fingal's Cave on the uninhabited island of Staffa. Inside, the echoing sounds of the crashing waves create an eerie yet captivating symphony. 10. Puerto Princesa Subterranean River, Philippines. Venture into the heart of Palawan Island to discover the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River, a navigable underground river that winds through a labyrinthine network of awe-inspiring chambers and passages, showcasing the harmonious dance of water and rock. These 10 caves, each possessing a unique allure, remind us of the mesmerizing beauty that emerges from the depths of the earth. Embarking on a journey to explore these subterranean wonders is to witness firsthand the artistry of nature's patient craftsmanship.